Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to manage grouped tabs in Google Chrome. Managing tab groups in Google Chrome is a great way to organize your workflow. So right-click a tab, or you can just click the three dots in the top right. Below, if you're new, you can just press tab groups and create new group tab, right? And you can name the group, right? And assign its color. You can add more tabs by dragging them into the group or right-clicking and selecting Add to Group. So name this group, assign its color, and you can open a new tab in a group, move group to a new window, close group, and if you close the window, right, then you're going to be able to delete that group. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel.